Nike by you. That's the tag given to sneakers that you can customize as per your taste on Nike official website. Were you aware of this? What's up people, welcome once again to Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. So guys, this video is going to be an important one even if you're aware about the customizing platform on Nike website, because Nike has recently got some recent updates done on their official website. So I guess if you're in love with sneakers, you should surely check this out. In addition to that, I will also take you through the whole process of how easily you can customize your sneakers on the Nike official website. I'm sure you are excited to check this out, so let's just go ahead and roll with this. So guys, let's go to the Nike.com official website. So let's go ahead with Air Max. So as you click on Air Max, you can see all these sneakers. So I will click on this one, and don't worry about the color and the palette options because you're going to get a chance to customize those as per your choice. Now guys, here is an important thing which you should keep in mind while you are trying to customize, that always stay logged in, because that way it will save your designs also. So now you can see this edit option here. So I'm just going to click there, customize, and there you can see all the options: vamp, tip, tongue, mudguard, everything, midsole wedge, airbags. So let's just go ahead and start doing this. I'm going to start with the vamp. So since I'm going to do the vamp, so I can also change the way I'm looking at the sneaker. So I want the front look, and that's how it is done. So I can choose, or maybe just go ahead with the gym red. Yeah, that would look great. Gym red. Okay, so if I've logged on this, I will just click on the right tab and then go ahead with tip or quarter. And for the tip or quarter thing, if I can choose something which is light shade, it will look good with the red option. So I will preferably go with desert sand. Now guys, there's this important aspect which I also find very cool about Nike website, that not only the textile material, they are also giving you an option of choosing the leather material on the top of it. So if you go scroll down, you can see quilted leather options, you can see perforated leather options, which looks really cool on any sneaker and just brings out a more premium side of a sneaker. So if I have to go with anything with white perforated leather, I think I'll choose that. So I'll stick around with that. And then I go down to tongue. So I would like to keep it dark because I'm going to go ahead and choose a darker shade for the inner lining also. So I think that will match. And let's just go ahead with the mudguard part. So mudguard part is this one. There's also, I have this choice of playing around with the colors. I know there are a lot of classic guys also will say, oh my god, this is such a multicolored sneakers. I think everyone have a different personality, and because of that, some people don't like to play around with colors much, but I just love multicolored sneakers. So I'm going to use a lot of color combination for these Air Max 90s because that's the way I love it. Oh my god, so they have also given an option for suede material. Now that's pretty cool guys. I think I should go with something around light shade, but not exactly light because I want to keep it contrast. Okay, we can come back to this and play around with this more. Okay, let's just go ahead and play around with the piping part. I don't really want anything with the piping, but if I just want to show you a demo, this is what piping means. And then I would go ahead to swoosh. Yeah, that's the most important part. I will keep it absolutely black, but at the same time I'm going to use a leather material. A proper perforated leather would give it a wow look, because my inner lining is also going to be a black color. So let me just show you how the lining also works. This is what is the lining option. I would like to show you the frontal look so that you guys have an idea about this. I'm going to keep it this way, the black one, because there's one very important reason why I'm keeping this as black, because this inner part is the part where your feet actually stays, and you keep on removing your shoes or putting on your shoes, and that's the time when the shoes gets dirty. It's really difficult to clean the interior part, so I would keep it black. So now I'm going ahead and playing around with the laces. Okay, this is the most important part, so I would preferably choose a color which would pop out more. So I think let's just stick to desert sand. Yeah, that's a better option for now. And if I go down, upper eye stay, yeah, this I'm going to keep it for sure yellow because solar flare. Yeah, so they have named it as solar flare. Again, upper eye stay, lower eye stay, again yellow shade. Let's just call it yellow shade for our easy understanding. Okay, mid-guard window, again yellow shade, no other choices for that. So now you've started to get an understanding how the shoe looks from the side angle. Also, if you want to see other view also, other angles also, you can always click on options like these. So now we move on to back tab, and okay, look at this. So back tab, I think I would keep it as the same color, as this particular material is. So I would probably go ahead and do it desert sand so it looks cleaner. Okay, and then I go to midsole. Yeah, the midsole part. So I would keep it white. I can keep desert sand also, but I would preferably keep Summit white because I want to keep some part of the shoe lighter shade also. So moving ahead, now we go on to the midsole wedge. Yeah, that's the one which I would love to keep yellow because, yeah, as I said, or otherwise I can play around with Martian Sunrise also because that's the color which matches the red one, which goes with the red shade. So let's keep it Martian Sunrise or a reddish shade. Now I go to airbags. So airbag, I'm going to keep it Summit white. Let's not play around with the airbags. Now I move ahead to outsole. This is the interesting part. I'll keep it black, it makes it more easy to maintain. Now the outsole accent, yeah, I'm going to keep that as gym red, so I'll keep it black and red. I think that will look cool. And now we're done with the outsole accent, and now we move on to the hang tag text. Now if I click here, it gives me an option of keeping the symbol as black, or otherwise it also gives me an option to write some logo or text. So I think mostly people use the first letter of their names, but honestly guys, you know what, I don't want to play around with the text here. I would stick around with the logo and I will keep it as white. I think it looks cool. So is there anything else that we want to change here? Probably let's just check out some other angles of this sneaker also. So there you go. I think we can change the lace color to black. I think it will look cooler because I think this works. I feel I can play around a bit with the mud guard part also. I'll stick around to this premium quilted leather desert sand. So I think this is something which I have done finally. So I think it took not more than 10 minutes to do this. That's my sneaker. That's the one. It is ready. It looks cool. Do rate my sneaker designing skills. I don't know if this really looks cool to you guys also. But as I said, everyone has a different personality, and I think the website gives you an option to play around with this, and then you can go ahead and select your size and just add it to the bag. That's all. That's how cool and that's how quick this is. Pretty simple and fun activity, right? That's exactly how you too can design your sneakers on Nike official website. I want you guys to share your thoughts about my sneaker design in the comment section below. और आप लोग भी बताओ कि आप कौन से colors choose करोगे, क्या palettes use करोगे to design your Air Max 90 sneakers or Air Force Ones. You can also share your sneaker designs with me on Instagram, and my handle is SmartKicks Official. Do share this video with your friends also, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. मैंने तो डिसाइड कर लिया कि हर बार जब मैं आपके सामने आऊँगा तो एक हेल्पफुल और एक्साइटिंग वीडियो लेकर आऊँगा अराउंड स्नीकर्स एंड स्नीकर ब्रांड्स. सो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर लो, दोस्तों से भी करवा लो, एंड प्लीज हेल्प मी इन ग्रोइंग दिस चैनल एज क्विकली एज पॉसिबल. टिल माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, यू गाइस स्टे फिट एंड कीप वॉचिंग स्मार्ट किक्स.